Antibiotics are commonly used in the treatment of bacterial infections. But because of abuse and incorrect usage, today many bacteria have become resistant to these drugs. Moreover, many antibiotics also come with side effects that can sometimes damage organs like the liver and kidneys. Luckily, there are many home remedies and foods that work as natural antibiotics. So, instead of going for medications, you can try adding these foods to your daily diet to be safe from many bacterial infections. These can not only prevent bacterial infections but also help you fight the invading pathogens if you are already infected. These natural antibiotics will bring down inflammation and improve the presence of good, protective bacteria. So, here are some home remedies that work as natural antibiotics. 1. Ginger. This is one of the best antibacterial and anti-inflammatory food that you can find. It contains gingerol, terpenoids, shogaol, zerumbone, and zingerone, as well as powerful flavonoids with antimicrobial properties. It can help you fight many strains of bacteria effectively. The best way to have it is raw. You can chew on it after your meals as a mouth freshener. Grate some onto your salads and soups. You can also add some to your morning cup of tea. 2. Oregano oil. This has powerful antibacterial and antifungal compounds in the form of carbapenem and thymol. This oil can help you fight several strains of bacteria, some even antibiotic resistant. It is particularly effective in the treatment of E. coli. But be sure to use pure oil and buy it from a verified source. Just mix 1 to 2 drops of this oil in water or oil and have it. Don't have it for more than 2 weeks at a time and consult a doctor before starting, as it may interact with certain medications. 3. Onion. These are a rich source of therapeutic sulfur compounds called cysteine sulfoxides, besides containing flavonoids that have amazing antibiotic effects. How to use it? You can have this raw. Be sure to cut it and leave it for some time. This will increase its phytonutrient content. You can also add it to stews and soups or just sow some. To make it more potent, add some garlic to it. 4. Garlic. This contains allicin, which can effectively fight against many strains of bacteria. But have this in moderation. People with bleeding disorders must consult their doctor before having this, and it is not meant for children. That being said, garlic can kill pathogens responsible for common as well as rare infections. It has potent antibacterial and antimicrobial properties and is best consumed raw. How to have it? Just chop a garlic clove into small pieces or crush it and let it sit for some time. This will release enzymes that get converted to allicin. Eat it after some time. You may wash it down with a glass of water if the taste is not to your liking. Start with 1 clove and gradually increase it to 3. 5. Manuka honey. All honey is good for fighting pathogens. But Manuka honey is more potent than other varieties. This honey is native to New Zealand. It has amazing antibiotic, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties and is used even in the treatment of MRSA. But it must not be given to infants. It can even inhibit multiple drug-resistant pathogens. How to have it? Just have 2 tablespoons of Manuka honey every day. Avoid heating it because doing so may destroy its therapeutic value. Be sure to buy this from a genuine source to get the pure form of this honey.